So the video is separated into three parts. That is first meaning, second different, third question. First meaning, you will learn about the definition of inferential statistic and descriptive statistic. And the second one different, you will know the difference of two statistics of them. And after that question that you want to test you, see you have understanding differences and the meaning definition of two statistics that I will talk about. Okay, first we will go to the meaning.
Descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics which is concerned with describing the population under study.
Alright, the definition you understand. First we see what inside descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics is used to describe a situation, and also the final result is in form of chart, graph, and table. And to make you more understanding, we will go to the example. We make an example in the Earth. Earth have a population of billion people, and we have doing research to see how many are there are male and female. After research, we understanding 53% of them is male and 77% of them is female. So we can do a conclusion that the male is more than female. And in here we are using population, that is the total amount population in the Earth.
Inferential statistic is a type of statistic that focus on drawing conclusions about the population on the basis of sample analysis and observation.
That you know the definition of inferential statistics, we are talking about what inside them. Form of final result in inferential statistics is in probability, and it all uses to expand the chance of occurrence of an event. So we'll go to the example to make you more understanding about the inferential statistics. Example, the Earth have billion people, but we just choosing the 5% on it, and we asking a question that is, do you like eat pizza or burger? In the conclusion, we understanding that they likely in the 5% of them, 3 of them is like to eat pizza, so more than half of them is like to eat pizza. Why here is inferential statistic? Because he using the sample, and the sample is the 5% that we're choosing for the billion of population in the Earth. Okay, so we'll go to different. Let's see how different they are.
Differences. Descriptive statistics is a discipline which is concerned with describing the population under study. Inferential statistics is a type of statistic that focus on drawing conclusions about the population on the basis of sample analysis and observation. There is a diagrammatic or tabular representation of final result in descriptive statistics, whereas the final result is displayed in the form of probability. Descriptive statistics collects, organize, analyze, and present data in a meaningful way. On the contrary, inferential statistics compares data, tests hypotheses, and make predictions of the future outcomes.
Of the 1,000 people in Uganda, 50% of them below 15 years old. Result inferential statistic.
Okay, this is question. Why the first question is inferential statistic? That's because the word of 1,000 people in Uganda. That means they have the million people, but it's just choosing 1,000 people, so it's using sample. If using sample, so it's an inferential statistic. After that, second question, why it is descriptive statistic? Because it's using the whole populations of Uganda, the half of the people in Uganda. So thank you for your watching, and hope you have learned something from the video, and see you in the next time. Goodbye.